Blacked out 4x4, welcome back to another one. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm going to show you something that's right behind me. We got this pure white LED over here that's super bright. Then we got this warm yellow tone for the license plate. And then we got this warm tone at the third brake light. I don't know why Ford did this. It just doesn't make sense with all these colors at the back of like different temperatures of white. So today we are going to fix that. We're going to work on this as well as something on the front. Stay tuned, we're gonna have a lot of fun. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are gonna change these bulbs from underneath. All right, so we're underneath the truck and you can see the light right over here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twist it. All right, I just heard a click and it just drops out like that, like so. All right, here's the bulb. All right, so the long edge goes in first. The light is literally that little small part right over there. So just line it up and we just stick it in. All right, so we've done one side. If you look to the right, we have the original yellow hued one, which really has no brightness to it. And if we look to the left, that just looks gorgeous. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to replace the right side one as well. And when that is complete, we'll show you the overall truck from behind. All right guys, take a look at this. We finally got some matching temperature lights happening at the back here. I'm loving it. All right, so the next step now is to change out the third brake light. It's by Enzo USA, something I picked up from Amazon. Yeah, it's smoked. I'll just remove the plastic real quick over here. So the only downside is that you have to use your own hardware for the screws. So what's up there is silver currently. What you could do is plastic dip them or spray paint those black so it'll look all blacked out. At the back, it's pretty straightforward. It's just a plug and play. To remove these, I've gotten a T20 torque bit mounted on my driver over here. So there's 4 of them that we got to remove and I'm going to start doing that. There we go. Nice. Bro, you know how much time that just saved? So once you got those off, this just comes off like so. So what we're going to do is we're going to unplug this. I'm going to show you how to unplug it the best I can. Okay. Got it? Yeah, now it's in. All right. You good? There you have it. All the same temperature, pretty much. Now this is what Ford should have given us right out of the factory. It's not as bright as I wanted it, but I read that on the reviews as well, that it would look a little dim. When we did install the wiring, we had to unclip the headliner inside the truck only because it was really hard to pass that wire inside to connect it. So we did that through the interior of the truck, lower down the headliner from the back, clip it in, snap that back in place, and there you have it. So it's blacked out. And now, as I mentioned to you, there was something else that we were gonna do. We're heading to the front of the truck. All right guys, so now we're gonna attack the fog lights. It's a little tight, so we're gonna get the camera as close as possible so I can show you what we're about to do. Okay, so we actually had to remove the fender liner to get in because it was way too difficult to just get in from underneath the bumper.
And there it is.
And there it is. So now we're gonna attack the headlights. For this, we're gonna have to remove the fender liners. And I mean, not just a little portion of it, most of it. We're gonna show you as best as we can. So there's another one here at the top, and then there's one more. This is the last one. All right, folks. So I just wanted to show you a quick comparison from the left to right. It's looking quite nice. We're gonna work on the other side and then we'll show you the final product. Okay, so just to give you a comparison right now, this is what it looks like with the stock headlights on. All right guys, there you have it. So this is with the new lights on. This is the full lights. It's done, that's how it looks. So we just have to seal up the fender liners now and it's done. I'm gonna show you what the high beams look like. So yeah, let's get that going. All right, folks, and it's done. My buddy Tushant, thank you very much. Couldn't have done it without him. I am so glad we did this conversion. I call it a conversion because it's truly a conversion. Day and night difference, I love it. I love the way it turned out. It is a pain to get into the headlight area for the Ford F-150s, I gotta say that. I'm glad it worked out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little video today. I'm gonna have the details below where you guys can take a look at them, purchase them. Yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna have a little subscribe button pop up. You know where it is, it usually pops up there. Please click the real subscribe button, smack it, smash it, tap it, whatever you can, to show your support. I'd highly appreciate it. You guys take care. Hope you guys have a happy new year, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.